Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, mommy and papa them. Salute all man way if they join this live show at this moment. The first responsibility we'll get down now for share the show extensively. We'll make sure say it go for all man where they follow this revolution, especially people them where they inside the Republic to Cameroon. I will play music small before I will come back in 30 seconds. So when you join, just share.
Assistant Vice President for Digital Services and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria.
As you join, you make sure to make you share extensively. Mommy and Papa them, I'll be very glad for joining us once more for this platform after some short time where I'll be so okay, I will stay back, look at where to go on, then strategize for make sure say this revolution it continue for give a lot of heat for the Republic of Cameroon. And when I don't see say we deliver according to our promises. Today, I want to talk clearly, and I will still continue to insist. This message not will change. La Republic du Cameroon for the past 3.5 years or 4 years, they don't kill our people. The fight done again inside Ambazonia. And today I want to talk clearly. Say, this fight not be fight where you get for the lesson to people the way that don't work, not only for them for WhatsApp, for they make all the noise and all the comments we not get use. Cameroon government, it be ready for kill all man from Ambazonia, so that if it keep our oil, our timber, not be a bad issue for territorial integrity, not issue for colonization. And therefore, all man therefore understand. Today is Saturday, November 14, 2020. And I want to come in clear terms. Say, now so we'll continue for push ahead this revolution by adopting and activating the across the Mongo strategy. Make it be very clear. And today I will take small time to explain them for some people the way they care for listen. And after this, we don't do no explanation. Why we must announce before we act, and we will announce after we don't act. And now I turn to one thing. When you sit down the fear say, because say you don't talk, say you go attack some people of the Republic, they go consider and say that terrorism. Not be true. The two countries that they are at war, and the international community be aware. And what did it happen? For 4 years, every day the ambassador and the right rest in peace. Which day where they don't go poor behalf of terrorism, it is totally defend our territorial integrity. We never agree anymore for an occupier, a colonizer, for come inside our villages, come burn our villages, kill our mommy them, rape our sisters, cut down our crops, harvest our timber, harvest our oil, then go in the name of the fact say it protect territorial integrity. It not go happen again. Remember, say any country get right for defend itself and get right for attack another country where it infringe on its borders. And I wait that will do against the Republic of Cameroon. Make it be categorically clear. Say when the Republic of Cameroon can burn villages of Ambazonia, no man they call it terrorists. Now we were the instant burn our villages, they call it terrorists. So all we to get to focus on their own villages. Yes. Make it be very clear. Say when they can burn our markets, burn individuals and shops, kill our people in the streets. We will not separate, we will not call some Ambazonians. We will not even be able to call and say terrorism. But I want every time to make declarations. We support the crown for the head. I make I talk this one very clearly. This fight, it don't reach the time where individual they will take responsibility for liberate Ambazonia. And I don't take that responsibility. My name is every time to quote me anywhere. Some of them be now chickens, lily livered. So now the fear, every declaration where the man do now the fear. They will arrest now every time if they get to arrest me. Not be you, where you make noise or what's up. And me be very clear. Eric Tato will never be arrested because he's fighting a genuine war against the people of the Republic of Cameroon. And my state and categorically clear. Say time for romance don't pass. Now an action and action only inside the Republic of Cameroon. And my state number one, for explain why we must announce before we go act. And I will do them because of the strategy where you win. When you announce, for example, say you go act for Yaoundé or Douala or Ebolova, that is a vague announcement. It not get no date, no specific place, no time, but it make La Republic, it move some troops from Ambazonia, it bring that inside La Republic, it make La Republic spend a lot for logistics, and then they try to secure everywhere where no ever feel secure, and will always hit for place where they don't feel secure. And so La Republic get double defeat from our announcement. Because they announce, they spend money for logistics, they get panic, they get tension, then we still hit when they be less expectant. Listen, you got to act the Jesus strategy. When Jesus said will come as a thief in the night, you didn't know how Jesus will come. That is how we're going to do it going forward. And so no one, Ambazonians, the way they not get hurt. When I leave them chickens. When we make announcement, not to make analysis for WhatsApp group. Because if all will be waiting for to make analysis for WhatsApp group, this revolution will not end. And most of them want to wait all down. I say, carry the war go to the Republic. When I own now for she don't for diaspora tip money and then they contribute. And if some one young man they take the action, what you ever do, now will say thank you, veteran, not before they make noise or WhatsApp. So the actions they will continue in a very, very, like in a huge manner inside the Republic of Cameroon. So we announce before we go act, and that's how it's going to be. Sometimes we never announce, but we always announce when we get to announce. Secondly, when we carry action, we get to announce the action, claim the responsibility, and I will explain why. If you want to negotiate or you want to meet government, the colonizer negotiate with you, you get to see a leverage. So if you touch the airport, if you touch the inside the capital, because as you be aware, Cameroon government not gonna one enemy. So no wait. For example, if you be A, you fight against W, you go hit W, you go let me B go claim the victory. If B go claim you are hitting, now who will come? They will negotiate now who? They will leave you when you be A, when you don't do that work. They're going to find for settle the issue now with W. Cameroon get problem with Boko Haram for North. You get Tika rebels, you get come to people them. We, the Pope Ambazonia, we have to fight for our own, and that's what we are going to be doing. So I don't want all these Tom, Dick, and Harry for inside WhatsApp groups. Where on our own job, now official, only people can make no noise. So when I never WhatsApp groups, everyone I read pictures and not put up. When I read name, and not put up. When I never make noise. The first way, he don't put his face, he name everything. He lie down the line. I don't tolerate that rubbish. Me be very clear. My name is Eric Tato. Me be very clear. No one ambassador no day where it will stop me from taking this action. Because if you listen for some of you now, maybe you don't even know. If some of you now don't WhatsApp group number every ambassador. Because now I see no true ambassador where going to fear me to go attack the Republic. I use now your mouth declare. That's the question I'm asking you. So going forward, when you say, oh, when we do that, they will say that it's act of terrorism. No. If America tell Iran, say, if you try, I will hit you. Why do you want America not terrorism? Because they will hit inside Iran. Why do you want America for Afghanistan? You are fighting a war. You got to move to the enemy's camp. Yes. And make I talk very clearly. Listen attentively. I need one be clear. Any man when a francophone me listen. There is a war between the two countries. Henceforth, there is a war. Any place when a republic structure will be hit up, go hit up. From private properties to government infrastructures, it will be hit down. Because some of this private property then, they harbor military hardware. May that one be clear. When I hear somebody see, listen, I must state them very clearly. Make it be very, very clear. Big supermarkets, they contribute money for the government, for the republic, tax for can't pay people. So expect, say, listen very attentively. Expect, say, any site where they inside 8 regions for the republic, now target. Now me at the top. Anything where any man fish if you do, at the America, me they can't do a massive. Any side they call me, I'll go defend myself. Now what this? And the whole world know. Excuse me. So Cameroon, feed the worker anyhow come inside Amazonia. Can't keep picking and go back. Then you fear for talk say, you two will kill their own picking them. What nonsense. It's not terrorism for me. Not terrorism too for Cameroon government. And me they go for poor cause and no cause, a cause and effect. Me they go start for the root cause. Look, I said, why the people they won't come now, they won't start go inside the republic? Because the republic don't kill what for 4 years. And it's not going to, listen. But I tell you one thing. When I be follow my tweet, what I do before yesterday, I said something will happen for Yaoundé or Douala or Bolova. After 12 hours, when I say how they cry for Yaoundé, when I see no, I need to talk about further. We not see him. Not sit here for Yaoundé. I tell you one thing, Ambazonians. We get the potential for cripple the republic. All that war, all that noise for inside villages, all that stuff, like, it's a waste of time. Pure waste of time. After 4 years, change the strategy. Any man, when a leader from Ambazonia, when he ask you money for do anything, if he need to tell you to go strike and for inside the republic, not give you $1. Listen very attentively. Because they only take and chop. That's how it is. I talk say I will go inside Yaoundé and I go there. You get the point? I don't come on Facebook and say, okay, when I give contribution, I won't go do until Yaoundé. No. And now talk very clearly. Any man who watch me from Gandere to a Bolova, Yaoundé, Douala, Bafoussam, with the higher burners. Yes. If Salas, when this Facebook show finish, I'm going to put up on YouTube. Put up on my YouTube, my share. Listen very attentively. Any man, you go carrier, you get mission, you detail with the mission vaguely. If you want to go born a council, tell me. You want born a school, call me. Anything when I inside the republic, you say you get the way if you born and die. You just tell me. When you tell me, you'll now be a contractor to the ATM across the Mongo strategy. Yes. We need people that have to position themselves in groups of 5, 10 for diaspora. We give people the contract. Imagine, say 1 week, we successfully award 10 ATM contracts for the Republic. Imagine, say all sides the bond, we have people who can do it. 2 million, 3 million per contract, 500,000 depending on the contract. They will burn it down, and that's how it's going to be henceforth. Cameroon government just don't know. Cancel some people here on the go for the bond. Some side will go over the bond, and I will do it. And it's not terrorism. It is war. We can also try to flatten the command and control post. That the Republic will be destabilized. For them to be able to leave Ambazonians alone. You get the point? So, you can't tell me, say, I don't know one thing. I not be this. Some of the Amber leaders, they went a chicken them. They fear for talk. You see me every time. I'll be tiger. And the fowl will not chop tiger. Put that for your head. Put that for your head. That one may be very clear. Everything where it belongs to Paul behind the government will be burned down. Then they come for your village, kill your mommy, kill your brother, shoot picking them. Then you don't say, oh no, if we go there, no, listen. We're going to go inside market soul, open them, fire, put down the 1,000 people. We'll see the no cut off. If you want to fight war, you not be priest, you not be pope. Man, you want if you don't say Ambazonian war of independence, it's not a joke. You remove strategy, they got to be changing. They got to remain in complete panic mode, and they see the action. Before they panic, they won't finish, they see the real thing. You have to catch it up and say, oh, when I want to win, they want how? If I don't go for that side. That's the only way. Now the final solution, that is the battery of the revolution. And I'm initiating it. If you call me any name, why don't you terrorist, I don't give a damn. They don't kill what people enough. That's why I particularly want chicken Ambazonians the way that they make noise. You cannot be for 3-4 years. They are killing your people, attacking your schools, burning your farms. You cannot even go to your farm. You cannot go and pee. And then still leave the war for our territory. No, it's not going to happen. Some man to for Changa for hook up. You're not going to be able for go peace. Yes. Time for them over now. They declare lockdown. Now for Douala. Yes. Declare lockdown for Yaoundé. To the no school for Lycée Daido, and we'll be there. Enough is enough. And you come here, you are so chicken. Some of now when I want to chop crap, then shoot on, I want to be like crabs. We not be able to think against trade. When we want to talk, now Amber was the first person for WhatsApp when they criticize a project that can bring you liberation. I call yourself in Ambazonia. Under normal circumstances, I'm not going to for them on a WhatsApp group themselves. Because I don't lost purpose. Now, one argument after the other. Look, the past 10 days, I didn't make no comment for none of those groups. I just stay quiet to observe what you might talk. Because it doesn't make sense. Then the key are people. There's some man to say, if you carry action over enemy camp, you start to cry in fear. Say, must you announce? You take on my brain for no the player, I want to attack him. Yes, I must announce. Because it's part of the winning strategy. You know what it means, say, some man tell you, say, I will come to your compound and do something. I will come. You never know the date. You never know the date. You don't know the time, the place for your compound. What's in the work? You know the work where the man on you. You know what go put security 24/7. You monitor. You don't know the time. You know how to do your other thing then. Only what declaration across the Mongo. You don't put La Republic. La Republic is spent at least, say if it's small, and maybe 100 million every day for logistics. For you look sorry every time to one attacker. There's some other criminal where in Nigeria say he won't bring 120 ex-Amber fighters them. They can protect this thing. Today, I say the Koko government official, the prime minister and so on, they tell us, oh, they give money. Listen, when they laugh, they truth now say, Cameroon know very well, say it is over for them. It is over for them. May be very clear. Cameroon know very well, say it be completely over for them. And we all must make sure say we engage. Now me at the top. Everything. Every if I die, my ghost go still fight the war. We don't really get in. We don't get inside Yaoundé, Douala, anywhere in huge numbers. Yes, when I say Jabo Yaounde, no. You see my tweet, I've shown you the tweet. That tweet come, be 12 hours when I see the action. When I see me, I can't talk anything. No. That's why I go pray. Before I feel the talks, I won't finish his show. When I hear say Douala or Ebola or Babusam, oh, that very Yaounde. Yes. When I feel here, before I talk so that they work. We'll get to make sure, see, all diplomatic agencies or commissions for the Republic, they declare state of emergency. Let me not say me, they give out a travel guide. Then they mark those major cities as endangered cities to their citizens. When we start getting that way, people they fear for fly come Yaoundé, we don't start succeed. Yes. Oh man, if you want, you know any Saturday, whether you francophone Peking, when you listen me, if you say if you burn something, get to me, call me, you burn and send picture, I will pay you. Now I talk. C'est moi. Yes. Me be clear. They declare us terrorists for 4 years when I still cry. So until they will kill you, also you better they declare you terrorists and you kill to the Republic. The equation balance. Because at the end of the day, what are you going to be doing? And you see people just be crying. Maybe they rest in peace. Okay. Gusa Kumba incident. Kumba is finished. Now I talk about a useless chief where you find publicity. Mark waste my time. No, I don't get discussion for one particular chief. That man will be deleted in the nearest future. I already made arrangements for that. So don't worry about that man for Boya when they work and make noise. I will delete him. You will see. You know, see him. Just wait. I will delete him. I've already taken care of that situation. So when you see people there, Kumba incident that I see one a list for donation for Kumba. So I just send the one for paper. Oh, now go look the last how many days. We don't remember about that Kumba Pekin. They are gone. History is finished. But don't kill the Pekin. They don't exist again. You see the point? That's what you people don't know. You get the point? That's what you people don't know. You keep getting like every day, rest in peace. Rest in peace does not win a war. Put in your head. Rest in peace has never won you an independent war. When a rebel like me, I'm talking, just listen in your WhatsApp groups. Yes. And if you tell now, 1,000,000%, no ambassador don't get the hard to get them. Yes. Because they had friends that can't do the public declaration. None of them can do it because they are scared that they will be arrested. So if you fear me, they arrest you. Excuse me? You get the point? You fear? None of these leaders are never can talk it like talk. And this is part of the war. And only talk at the one. They are scared. When I say I will go to a church and put somebody down, I'm going there and have my reasons. You don't see, and the Republic is using proxies, doing command control, killing our people, and you're clapping. Say, oh no, don't say this, don't say that. What are you supposed not to be saying? In a war, when you're killing people, and you begin to want to judge me on what I should be saying and what you are not going to talk. No, listen. Listen very attentively. And I'll tell Ambassador with authority. If I stop to talk and to act, you guys are the war is ended. Yes, that's one thing I pride myself in because I know my strength. Take it from me. I have the contacts. I know how to burn the Republic. And I've done it burning, and you see it every day I burn them. We go right to Mbomeka and burn places. San Malima. Yes. Put in your head. It's enough. I can't tell you say you're terrorist. So what? Everybody is a terrorist. It depends on which angle you are looking at it. Everybody. You are a terrorist to somebody, to another person, you are a freedom fighter. Donald Trump is a freedom fighter to the American people, to the people of Iran and other places. He can be looked upon as a terrorist. And so on and so forth. You don't see on WhatsApp groups, you are getting scared. If you have not shared this video, begin to share. And it should be clear. Cameroon does not have the monopoly of burning our houses. No. If they can burn a village in Apaya, I can burn a village in Eboloba. Get it very clear. If you can attack a school in Manfe, I can attack a school in Yaoundé. If you can shoot and kill a priest in Kembo, I can do same in a day. What are you guys telling me? Nobody has the monopoly of what they are doing. We also have our way. And we are coming. We are there. Enough of this nonsense. And I will talk them again. Listen, henceforth, the only ambassador and the way I consider their views. While we listen to them. Now the one about Grand Zero, when they hear that hot. There'll be some adult ghosts on WhatsApp. I get interpersonal communication with people. When they call me, make suggestions. Not before sure WhatsApp group because it's an irritator. I will still remind all Ambazonians. We they 8 million, but one band they irritate away, it don't put hate out there. And the things that they talk for past 4 years, no other Ambazonian, nothing else, not to the courage for talk. Because they fear. That's why they call me smoke. None of them can say and say the way I do. They cannot even walk the streets like I do. Makuo. Listen to me. Listen. It's war against the Republic. Leave Boya alone. Leave Manfe, leave all the areas. If you must be in Boya, you are going straight to a target. Hit a government structure. Not this small shooting in the villages, go kill people. No more. If you want to shoot, come to those villages in Littoral. Go there. That's what we're supposed to do. But I tell you one thing. Let me be clear. Cameroon government don't know. They are joking with the wrong people. Well, at the given time will reach when we will extinct villages inside the Republic as well. Yes. It should be clear. It should be clear. There is no way. Listen. No, we'll be honest. And you say you're an Ambazonian, they're killing people, and you're there, you're just looking and clapping and writing rest in peace. What is rest in peace? What is rest in peace? Rest in peace, the Bible coffin, or the deep grave. What is rest in peace? No, answer me, what is rest in peace? What is rest in peace? You never hear that talk, say, Ashani, my people, listen, wake up. You get the point? Wake up. You get to adopt a contractor. Adopt a contractor. La République, say, listen, if Murphy born anything for La République, just the born. Now, me I talk. Listen. So, any man when you listen to me, from Ebolova, Bafusam, Kuseri, anywhere, just contact me. My number is there. You know my number. 917-480-1068. That's my number. Live. Put +1 US code. I live in the DMV. Me. Eric Tato. You get the point? Contact me. The war is in La Republic. If you feel bomb airport, anything for corner airport, if you throw a bomb there, anything, if you burn electric pole, burn cable line, anything where they La Republic, anywhere where they feel live. If you disconnect me electricity for some better part for Yaoundé or Douala, contact me. Every sonnet worker, when you say if you know technique for setup, any sonnet worker, any worker, where you listen to me. If you feel make me fire, so electric cable me no work, fire cash bomb, a whole quarter for Yaoundé, I give you 10 million CFA. We can do that. Yes. If you be able to do that. So we need for, at the token, because La Republic, me they start suspect their own workers. That's how we operate. So anything, any man will not say if you do something, contact me. Call me. If you call me, not get me, call me repeatedly. We need for the burn everything down. Ladies and gentlemen, any side we watch, I should join the share. Move no side watch. Once I know all my watch from Cape Town, South Africa. Put the watch from Germany, Switzerland, Holland, Kenya. Put the watch from Turkey, UAE, USA. Put the watch from Brazil. Anywhere you watch. From Ground Zero, Ground 1 from La Republique. And for La Republique. Trust me. Every all down that thing I make about down and WhatsApp group, that noise. As soon as I share all on our lies and so, we will start taking a number them. Trap in our life with Dandy. Yes. We shall not to put the watch from Cyprus, Russia. Anywhere you watch, just share. So make the message, say it be clear. And me, I need a joke where I talk to you. When I will show now, for example, I tweet a day before I see some incident for Yaoundé. Not be coincidence, not be magic. I make sure I'm in place. Then I announce. They execute, I pay. You get the point? I feel the feeling this show, so if you not take time, I just monitor my message. I feel the feeling this show, so you news. See some children for Douala or Ebola or somewhere. As in particular, maybe for Douala as I talk. So, I mean, this is not a joke. So, all man get to know. This is the time to take it into the Republic. I will come back for that because I want to really show me very brief. I want passing message for all chiefs, both for northern and southern zone. You know, chiefs and therefore know one thing. Anytime when we make a statement in defense of culture, tradition, and respect for the custodians and for our culture and our tradition, in respect of putting away they safeguard our heritage, the people they do they get for also the reason, and they never know say now war will be inside. I'll fight, talk a lot, even talk with the general when you hold form for SOC. The SOC community know. Before they want to release the form, I tell them say they will release it this day on this time because we talk with the general. Probably the day for that side from Okutunda, the general minister will E. I know call the full name. All man know it very well. And I tell them clearly, say this issue be as complicated and as you imagine. I not support in no way the arrest or whatsoever of Kadnatumi and the fund of Nsor. But may we take the fund of Nsor situation as an example to all other chiefs. You might not be so lucky next time. So I advise, say, if you be chief, when you can inside Ambazonia, either from northern zone or southern zone, listen very attentively. Number one, if government for the Republic by any way don't put your name to any electoral stuff, make sure so you don't come, or you remove your name for them. Number two, all Amber fighters they must verify for make sure say make chief in name, not just for name for chiefs and for house of chiefs. You go arrest it or something. No, because in name must they there. Because if you chief, in name must they there. But if you be chief, for example, John Gute, the prime minister and the slave of the Republic, now chief for a village for that type of Indian. That one only considers as a chief. It comes inside Ambazonia, will get the means, with the arrest then Gary. That one is clear. You get those other chiefs away the inside government. Those one are enemies, automatic. They're not going to pass to their villages. All of them. May be clear. Now, you will be chief when you be pro the Republic. You not say you to be enemy. You can forget that one very clearly. So my message today for the chiefs, and I say, make all chiefs when they don't say they get anything to do with the Republic, may not come inside Ambazonia. Get that very clearly. Now, what is? Because the chief now auxiliary for the territorial administration genocide promoter when they Yaoundé, when I Tanga and Jipo. Chiefs are then under territorial administration. Now they give all information for Dio. And that's why they change for command to go. So the Nsor chief, it will be important because the principle of higher good I intervene and talk about the release of the chief of Nsor. But that one will give visa for no other chief. For if you say you only can do anything, the editor to condemn, say, oh, Amber must release you. As a matter of fact, from today, November 14, Saturday, November 14, 2020, any chief where he get pro la Republic and he get anything for do la Republic should be arrested. Arrest the chief for questioning and they find guilty, Gary the chief. So me all chiefs, you know, we respect you, but no cross. Because now we classify you the same as Dio. Me be clear. When I say, when I never say and say every time on a very flexible person. I can't cry for chief on saw. I call the general, they release it. But that one not give any other chief any guarantee. Say, for example, you be chief, then be delegate for something, you go old taxation. We can't declare for you because you be chief. No. So maybe one be clear. So why would you move the war across the Congo? Chief, they're going to take this particular caution. If you not say that the suspect you say be la Republic, call the fight at the area, explain them when they say you not be la Republic. Not just the work and go and they say you own that area. No. War day. War day. There is war. And you got to be careful. You got to be prudent. Me be very clear. I talk one clearly. So any chief where they pro la Republic should be arrested. If you get anything to do with la Republic, they get to arrest you. So we don't arrest the chief of Nso, the phone. They leave the phone because it will be important at the time to pass the message. I know hard feelings. And I want, by the way, congratulate the guy where he made the speech. I think I want the store guy. We make that interview with the after I listen the audio. I think he talked about why they keep the phone from so and so on and so forth. That was well answered. So people understand say Ambazonia need to kill his own people. Ambazonia need to kill his own people. So all we will know, if you be chief, please stay out of trouble. Because next time they catch you, I'm not going to intervene. Me be clear. So if your papa na chief, you listen to this warning, and you know say when I don't pass order, it's strong. Because I will take the action. Yes. So any chief when they catch you, they go check you know if from your phone everything will check you know why you communicate with the Republic. And they will know whether you get pro the Republic. We will know why you facilitate the Republic. It will be investigation for 3 days. If we discover and say you need to do any of these things, we'll release you quietly. But if you do any of these things, you will be garried. Listen, me be clear. Any chief and the investigation will be meticulous. And if they catch your chief for your village, you can immediately get to us, start complaining, more investigate and together with you. And they will show you evidence. If your chief they guilty, you know, go back. We will make new chief. The other chief will disappear. How a chief they used to disappear. This one is very clear. No Roman, now what is? Now what is? It be very clear. Catch and release no day again if you find you guilty. Then the phone from shop be very lucky. You get the point? It be very lucky. And I assume say under Jews, when say they go one can go, no, you can't say that. But more assume say if fear say that video will come out. But now if you know say they go one can go, or if fear say you go talk something way, you go help Amber protect the Republic. I beg, not going for inside Amber. Do one have friendly advice from the Gary master. If you be chief, you go there, you will be arrested and they'll Gary you. If they sorry you, they fit Gary at one hand, at one foot. But they sorry, don't sorry you, they'll give you complete Gary. That should be very clear. You want not be something way, not be some romance where you can say, okay, no, not chief, no more. We don't do a favor, a huge one to the insult people, and the insult people they deserve them at the time because it get a transition for getting message on. You know, maybe chief will come, you disturb revolution, they talk say, do the clap for you. No, impossible. Impossible. So we be clear. Now, with that said, ladies and gentlemen, we'll go back. Last time, please, if you never share, make sure you share extensively. I will end the show soon after I bring out this list. Last time, we get list where we do them for Cash App, Zelle, and physical cash for that Kumba incident. And the list, the money will come out 4,150. I will still read them. One name, then Salazar sent in the update for PayPal. It come on $983. Where I will start for the PayPal because last time I not be with PayPal. But I will read everything, total them, and then give you the accounts. Me, all man will watch me listening. All man will stay tuned, especially for the way they be doing for that Kumba incident. Okay, now wait till the way Salazar, if you look at him, because now Salazar. Then just today, when I get what happen for Donayo from Manfi way, soldier when he guide the school, he say they say gun explode or gun misfire, he discharge accidentally, go shoot teacher. with his student. So now see how people they operate. So we have to be careful with them. Okay, very good. So you see, now Salah this. Now Salah send now the paper that you don't block all man one name. So I will read the name them. Then you hear your name. Then you know your amount will contribute. If you get any man will not hear a name for the contribution list, it means they don't chop your money. You get right for call, complain. Listen very attentively. I'll call one name. Sister Pauline, you give $73.33. Then Wally K, I'll call one name. You give $57.16. Monjo give $50. Brother Charles, you give $50. Brother Ako give $5.65. Brother Jodone, you give $52. Brother Charles again, another brother Charles, maybe one a different one, but now two Charles, the other Charles and N something. You give $50.12. They can get one Agu give $25. They get one Imbezuo, you give $100. Then you get the one that's nothing like my business. They start one of the business in a busy. I just call one. You send $100. Then you get Brother Charles again. This very Charles, people get Brother Charles again. They send Brother Charles N. You send $50. Then you get Sister Loveline. Sister Loveline give $33.96. Then you get hold on. I think the one now something B discount, something like that. You give $30. Then you get Paulette, Sister Paulette. You give $100. Then you get one Brother Patrick. Brother Patrick give $200. So then you come under here. You get Brother Benson. Brother Benson give $100. Brother Benson give $100. Okay, see, I know we don't add the Brother Benson on for the other first calculation because I just see now. Sorry about that. Yeah. So instead of the $983, so going to be now $1,083 now from this one for PayPal. So we'll now get the total will be $5,233 because if we add 100, will be 5,233. Okay, I'll still take the pains from last time for read. So I want to do the finances here so that all man will get online at least will follow. Unless some people don't get the message wrong, will be very important. And then so the paper that $1,083 now paper that. So we'll get 5,233. So listen very attentively. Then here we'll get now the Zelle transaction. I'll read them. We'll get Mommy Bridget 25, Brother Edmond 50. I don't read them, but I still read them because I want me everything be one. Yeah, you get Mommy Bridget again 50, one Sister Therese 30, one Brother Alexander 50, one Norbert 50, Pastor Agbo 50, Sister Priscilla M 60, Brother Sama 100, Brother Cletus 100, Brother Jerry 150, Sister Priscilla again 50, Sister Vivian 50, one Sister Atut 50, one Brother Fricks 15, Brother Tabor, that's K Tabor, 25. Then Brother Emmanuel, 25. Then here you get Victor, 100. Then you get one Amber Mamiwede, California, 100. Sister Suzanne, 200. One Sister Angeline, 50. Then one Alemnu, 50. Fidelia, 30. And then you get a Bangwe, 30. They get one Indy for 25. You get Brother Sama again, 100. They get Brother I think Desmond, 60. Brother Joseph, 100. And Akpan M, 100. I think Nazeldis will be read them last time. And so all of this come out to be $1,875. That's Zell. And then we'll go for Cash App now, will be very important. Or might just do cash. For cash, we get Mommy, Agi, and sister. They get $25. That's 50. Papi and wife get 200. That's 250. And then Papi friend get $40 cash, 290. So we get 1,875 for Zelle, and then 290 for cash. Then PayPal. PayPal, I'd already read them a short while ago. We come $1,083. That's PayPal. $1,083. That's PayPal. And then Cash App. I'll read Cash App now. It will be very easy for you to read the Cash App. Please just share as you join. Cash App will get Brother Edwin, 30. Raleigh 25. Princely, 50. Dr. Abanda give 50. One clothes we give 25. I cancel them, so I'm not count that one. Brother Eric N, when my brother, one of them N, 100. Brother Elvis, 50. Obner give 25. Bob, some person try to call 1 minute. Rita's husband give 30. One brother Pascal give 50. Romeo give 50. Adeline 50. Blasius 25. Nguya 20. Forgive me, I'm not pronouncing the name 5. One Mofi 25. King Echu 30. Bettin 50. Then Nelson 25. One Alice 50. Sister Alice 50. Brother Thomas. I just call one this because I'm not saying my people there they follow me, but I call them because of quote me all man doesn't know his name. So I'm put a lot of information there about Donald. One brother Thomas 50, Sister Julie 50, Sister Lucy 25, brother Walter 50, brother Oben 50, Sister Peggy 50, Leslie, brother Leslie. I hope this Leslie is a man because on Leslie and with LY. 150, the same Leslie give again $50. That's 200 yuan for that one show. They get Prof Ngwa give 100, and then you get Brother Chick give 100, Neville 20, my friend Bless Ketum give 200. They get Brother Christopher give 25, Brother Taba give 1 Taba, I don't know if my man will know, but he give 25 too. Brother Alfred give 20. And they get Sister thing at Delphine give 30. And then I should say that paper is it continue for a Cash App continue for here. You get my brother Elvis from Massachusetts give 50. One phone give 25. They get Brother James, when I'm a namesake, my brother namesake, he give 50. They get one Stars, like my business name, I'll read only one. He give, I think it's $10 or something, yes. Then Sister Mirabel give $50, and then you get Riley give 25 again. Then Rita's husband, he give 50 again. So all of this come out to $1,985. So if you put all the figure what we put them now together, you get PayPal the $1,083. You get Zelle $1,875. Cash App $1,985. Then cash $290. All together I'll give you $5,233. Now any man way maybe by mistake I don't omit in him, please you get the right for call for live show for do the rectification because I have money and the number is 917-48010 917 Okay, Salas, they try to call me for the other number. I'll instead call you for you. Please, Mark, call Salas. Maybe get update for paper. It'll be very important. I'll call it quickly. Okay. So, yes, Salas.
Yes, indicating for you, say this some sister Lydia maybe contribute $40.04. I know you in name for the.
Okay, but now because I not get them for the detail you show me.
You know the at least yes $40.04.
Okay, so sister Lydia contribute $40. So Salah because now Salah the audit the paper. I get all the information. In fact, if you not see the team, I not see them. But don't me try to get email. We all will make sure say we check ourselves and maybe transparent. Okay, so sister Lydia don't give $40. 40 point rating.
40.04.
Okay, so if I add sister Lydia for list for cash app, we'll move up to 5,000 instead of $233. We'll go to 5,270. Let's just say 74. Right. 5,274. Okay, so now the total that so any man. So Salas, thank you so much for that update. Yes, thank you. So any man, you see, though, we have an update. Any man we don't do anything, we don't contribute, we don't get the update, or we not get a name, you get for come. Now the next stage now for bring out the donation, how they don't spread them, how they don't divide them among the family. And so far, I will work with the. We don't really do a lot of the distribution. Maybe even more than this amount. I think Salas will get all the feedback and they will come for show for show which we don't go out. But I'll be almost certain. Say I will put the list together because I'll be almost certain. So I don't use more than 5,000, almost 5,500 or 6,000 because we do the distribution where sometimes they enter my own money. I don't know. So what will happen for you? I say the families them they be very coded. All right, and not be all they don't receive the help yet. So they make sure say the person where they do the disbursement or put it, they try to assist them. Maybe they bring me the right feedback and then we'll know the situation. Maybe in the days ahead or week ahead, I will put some of the family members on conference call with Salas and probably Sister Mirabe for that and any other problem so that we'll do the audit together. But be very, very important. Me they put them, me all man say these families they be so scared. Some of them not even want the help at all. Because they appear say, okay, this thing they come out of diaspora, small time me choke hold and say that they connect with Amber and stuff like that. So we'll make sure say everybody, so the donation the way everybody don't get them. So the first person say, if you never hear your name for the list what don't get them, please 917-480-1068. Now the number that you get for call in for make sure say you identify say okay, if you contribute this amount, now you zero this or now you screenshot this, you know your name for the particular Kumba stuff. Not forget say this contribution span from the 25th to probably the 28th or 29th like that. I'll check the date. But I think everything, we don't put everything together. Me and Salas, we don't work for the list over the weekend. Yesterday or 2 days ago, we did for conference call with 4. Me, Salas, Mitch, and Allen will be talking about this particular, I think this particular donation where some people say money be recurrent. So we'll be talking about the contribution issue to an extent. So I beg any man where you never hear a name, you get right for complaint. Get them very straight. You get right for complaint and you get for complaint on a live show so that it be rectified. That is the power of transparency. With this, ladies and gentlemen, at the back, if you never share this show, go back, go share, and the message remain clear. And not be able to mix the contribution issue with the message to the Republic. But it be important because you will not if you skip again another day, we will not talk about this. So without saying, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. I'll keep you updated and I will always announce our show for come on. We'll go back with the retreat, take action, and then we'll make sure so we'll come out very powerfully. We'll, some around 3 people then they assist with the action for Yaoundé. We want to see how it happen. Now so what you do we'll get people that will adopt project. If we get any project want to do you want to contribute for execute that project, we'll do them for back, we'll do them, then you see the action, we'll send the picture for you. That's how it's going to go henceforth because they do a lot of talking on social media and nobody seems to be doing anything. All right, so thank you so much. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we will remain very, 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 very appreciative for anybody where you don't make sure say it come out for this show. One thing that I feel assured about Eric Tato, say I'll never let you down. All my way, I'm a follower, I'm a fan, I'm a lover, I'm a sister, I'm a brother. We've got all the way one big family. One thing they will make sure say, we'll always. Somebody say how to contribute to Zelle. Okay, now henceforth, if we won't do any more contribution for this picking them, this family them, I will talk say we'll go through that because now I don't close for this one. I get for finish this one, give the account. So we'll go through that. So tomorrow I'll come with that, this thing, so that all man will want to do any further contribution because they still try to assist the families. A lot of people they be wounded. So anyone want to do anything, you go through that. Henceforth, you try to make sure you contribute for them because for me now, the one don't close. Maybe we'll figure out a different project because project you forget timeline. I'm not going to decrement on top Kumba issue for 10 years. Only the ask for is to contribute to the Kumba people. No, 1, 2, 3 days is done. But that basket where you feel ever give them any time to always for that. That's the best 1,000,000% trust. That's the truth. As a matter of fact, I even trust that past myself. That's the honest truth. So me that be very clear because now that we work as a team. They're not even make the mistake where salaries we don't forget to announce on person $40, which is very crazy. If you not be called in now, the person will go to the employer and say, oh, maybe the person ignore me or and stuff like that. So we thank everybody, and tomorrow we'll probably bring a few people for that for talk more. Not forget www.darkambazoniacommunity.com or www.darkcommunity.org. But tomorrow we'll give you more on this, the number, the Zelle, everything for that, because you feel say everybody, every time, every month, people, now therefore they will put $5, $10, then they follow up because a community, if you see what they do for them, not be some one man, not be some man, they come to say, oh no, don't spend this and so on. Dr. Zaman will tell now. And then I'll not forget, so we'll get one of our sisters and be there for last show, which and I never send my $100. I'll be there for send them that day. I forget. Dr. Zaman, please, after this, we'll get for balance accounts. So I'm going to end here. I think the show will get for be 1 hour and don't try to keep on within that range. Thank you so much, and may God bless you now. If you know how to share, go back, go share. Okay, now the dark website that way, don't put on www.darkcommunity.org. Perfect. Thank you so much. www.darkcommunity.org. www.darkcommunity.org. Thank you so much. So any man, make sure say you go for the dark website. You get my whole community. All my will keep on subscribing because dark is the way forward when it comes to humanitarian assistance. All money for that from all the foundations, the way if you imagine they did it. So thank you so much. Any man way you get any project where you feel I'm down as I talk, contact me. I'll be so grateful saving after how many hours when I still watch this number of persons. Bye for now. God bless you. Have a wonderful weekend. Maybe tomorrow we'll still see. Thank you so much. Until they come up, we'll announce that. If you know we don't share, go back, go share. If you need to follow the page, make sure you click on follow. And for all your news, make sure say you go out there very powerfully for Follow National Telegram because that is where you get all the news, all the breaking news we publish over there exclusively. Thank you so much. Also check out Dark Telly. That get a Facebook page. All man together for the go to follow the Facebook page for that so that if you get update, not be all tell you about that. You go for the page, you follow the page, all we, that diaspora, everything. So just check that for you. You see their logo, you follow them. All man will watch for you. When you finish for you, just go find that page you follow. Me all they follow for this so that if you get small short videos, so that's the type of video we'll put on for it. It'll be very important because we're live now for rebuild Ambazonia. Why would they carry the war for the Republic? It depends on that. And that will take care for that refugees. So I want to thank all man. If you need to follow that yet, go for the dark page. You get the point? All man, go for the dark page. Now when you finish, you just go find that, click on follow. So I ask all my followers the way they watch me now, say transfer. After this show, you go find the dark page, click on follow. If you not see follow, you click that three dot for the end, you'll pop up there, just click follow. All we get for the follow that, all we, including me. My brother way he manage my page, brother Gideon, young brother Salas, all they follow that. So all man get for go, they follow that. So if you watch me, go out there and make sure you click on follow. Completely apolitical. They get Dark Telly where they show a lot of movies, a lot of things, a lot of education. They produce their own stuff. Them. They want a community. And Ambazonian for the owner. Thank you once more and have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Thank you so much.